Hey guys, it's your girl Chef Pam and this is Chefin' More. We are back in the kitchen and we're getting ready to make home style red potato salad. Let's do this. Okay guys, we have all our ingredients here. We have our red potatoes. We're using organic red potatoes, celery, onion, eggs, bacon bits. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, guys, is get in here and cut up our potatoes. You need a pot of cold water so that we can put them in there as we go along and they won't turn brown on us. Okay, let's set that aside. And we're just going to go ahead, guys, and get these cut up. You want to cut them in half, flip them over, keep it whole with your hands, cut it in half again, lay it down, and cut it into small chunks. You don't want it too small because we're not making mashed potatoes. Okay, that's it, guys. That's all you have to do. Okay, and we're losing our potatoes. So we're going to put these in cold water and get the rest of our potatoes cut up. Okay, so we have our potatoes all cut up and they're in cold water. We're going to boil them until they are just barely fork tender. Okay, then we're going to cool them down. These are our eggs and we're going to boil them as well. Okay guys, I've got the potatoes on. You want to start them off in cold water, and as they begin to come to a rapid boil, add a little salt to the pot. Then just keep them boiling until they become fork tender or however done you want them for the dish you're making. I've also got the eggs boiling. In order to come out with a perfect boiled egg every time, guys, you want to put your eggs in a pot of cold water. Bring it up to a rolling boil. Cover it and take it off the heat. If you have an electric stove, move it completely off of the eye. If you have a gas stove, just cut the heat off. Leave it covered. Do not peek for 10 minutes. It doesn't matter if you're boiling 1 egg or 20. Just leave it be for 10 minutes. You will have a perfectly boiled egg every time. Okay guys, while our potatoes are cooking, we're going to chop up our onion and celery. Now I have my celery pieces here, and I'm going to actually select a couple of the pieces that are the inside pieces. They are a little lighter in color, but they are also more tender. And since these are going to stay raw, we want the tender part of the celery. So I'm not making a whole lot. These two should be just enough for what we want to make. Okay. So they're already washed up, and I don't want the leaves, but I don't want to discard them either because they can go in a different dish. So I'm just going to cut those pieces off and set them aside. No rhyme or reason. Then I'm going to cut these two pieces in half. Then I'm going to cut these ribs into thirds. Both of them into thirds. And then we're just going to chop them from here, guys. Next, we'll dice our onion. I'm going to do this a little bit differently. Don't need a ton of this. That should be enough. And cut them in half. Turn it sideways and chop. Okay guys, our potatoes are cool. We have our boiled eggs that have already been cut up. I went ahead and cut those up. We have our onions and celery. We have our bacon bits. I'm also going to be using some parsley flakes, celery seed, Himalayan salt, and mayo. All right guys, now I don't measure, I never measure, I just put in and then I mix up and then I taste, and whatever I need more of, I will put that in. So we're just gonna put everything in here. Get all the love out your bowl, guys. All the love out your bowl. Bacon bits in here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, yeah, I'll use all those. Okay, guys. And I'm going to put in our parsley flakes. I'm going to put in the egg last. A little bit of celery salt. Yes, we have celery. I'm not celery salt. This is celery seed, guys. It is not salty. Just the seeds. And a little Himalayan salt. And just a little bit. And then we'll always taste, guys. Always taste. And then add. I'm going to add my eggs in last. Now before I add my eggs, I'm going to taste and see if I have enough seasoning in here already. Perfect, guys, perfect. And add our eggs in. Yes. Okay, guys, we are all done with our potato salad. I'm going to go ahead and put some in this bowl and give it a taste. A complete taste with everything in it. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Guys, share the video out. Share the video out. I am so glad you all came. Let me just put a little bit more in here so you guys can see that really well. I want you to take a really good look at all the flavors and things that are being blended in here. Yes, look at that, guys. Delicious. Awesome, 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 guys. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Home style Southern red potato salad. You can't beat it, guys. It's not only good at the holiday, guys, it's good anytime. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And I'll see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.